Hello, everyone, and welcome to our special feature on igniting rural entrepreneurship. I'm Nirmala from Movement for Rural Emancipation, and I'm here with my colleague Pradeepa. Today, we're excited to share a new initiative designed especially for aspiring entrepreneurs in rural Andhra Pradesh.
That's right, Nirmala. At More, we are launching a structured hands on training program that's all about empowering individuals. Whether you are seeking a second chance in your career or a fresh graduate ready to create a sustainable enterprise, our mission is to drive economic growth, promote social justice, and support climate action through entrepreneurship.
This initiative is not just a training program, it's a comprehensive journey. We are equipping our participants with practical tools and actionable insights in several key areas. Let's break those down.
First up is identifying and validating a problem. We'll teach techniques that help entrepreneurs pinpoint pressing social or environmental challenges in their communities and then develop innovative solutions to tackle them.
Next, we focus on developing a viable business model. Here, we guide participants in creating sustainable, scalable models that not only yield financial returns but also generate significant social impact.
And then there's product development and prototyping. Our hands on sessions will give participants the chance to design, build, and test early stage prototypes, transforming their ideas into tangible products.
Understanding the market is crucial. That's why we are including a module on market research and customer discovery. Participants will learn strategies for understanding target markets, gathering essential customer feedback, and refining their product market fit.
We also know that every great idea needs funding. Our fundraising and investment readiness sessions will prepare entrepreneurs to secure investment through effective pitch deck development and sound financial planning.
And to round it out, we'll provide an overview of legal and regulatory compliance tailored especially for startups in rural India. This ensures that our entrepreneurs are not only innovative but also well informed about the legal landscape.
But that's just the start. Our program features expert led workshops where seasoned entrepreneurs, investors, and industry experts share their invaluable insights. We are also providing personalized mentorship. Each participant will have the opportunity to receive one on one guidance.
We've also incorporated real world case studies by analyzing the journeys of both successful and challenging startups. Our participants can extract lessons that are directly applicable to their own ventures.
And of course, we have set up networking opportunities. These events are designed to connect our aspiring entrepreneurs with potential co founders, investors, and partners who can help turn their dreams into reality.
The grand finale of our program is the demo day. This will be the day when our participants pitch their startup ideas to a panel of judges and investors, a real chance to shine and secure the support they need.
Now, let's talk about our incredible facility. Our training program will be hosted at Mandaran Resource Center, a rural campus spread over 5 acres. This center features a massive 1 lakh square foot building that houses a spacious training hall, two comfortable dormitories, and dedicated classrooms.
Exactly. Designed to provide a holistic learning experience, our facility can comfortably accommodate 20 trainees with full lodging and boarding. This is where our first cohort of 20 aspiring entrepreneurs will begin their transformative journey.
Our vision for this initiative goes beyond just training. It's about sparking a movement, empowering rural communities, fostering innovation, and building sustainable careers that contribute to both local and national development.
Let's take a quick moment to reflect on our history. Since 1984, MORE has been a catalyst for community development in Madanapalli. We started with literacy campaigns and have evolved through groundbreaking initiatives like Reflect, where we combined Paulo Freire's educational theories with participatory methodologies.
In the 2000s, we expanded our reach by implementing community based rehabilitation programs for individuals with disabilities. This work earned us recognition as an executive member of CBR India Network and as a resource agency at Asia Pacific Development Center on Disability.
More recently, our focus has shifted towards promoting life skills and soft skills among adolescents and youth. Having worked across more than 300 villages, we built the expertise and trust necessary to launch this entrepreneurial training program with excellence.
Our mission is clear to create a ripple effect of positive change by driving economic growth, fostering social justice, and empowering individuals through entrepreneurship. Imagine a future where rural communities thrive with new businesses creating jobs and sparking innovation at every corner.
That's the future we are building with Mandaram Launchpad. Over the next several minutes, we invite you to join us on this journey. Explore the vibrant images of our resource center, see the passion in our community work, and envision the transformative potential of rural entrepreneurship.
Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur or a community leader or simply someone passionate about driving change, we believe there is a place for you in this initiative. Your support, engagement, and enthusiasm are what will make this program a resounding success.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We are incredibly excited about the opportunities ahead and look forward to the positive impact on our first cohort will bring. Please stay tuned for more updates and behind the scenes looks at our progress.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and updates from Movement for Rural Emancipation. Let's work together to ignite the spark of innovation and transform rural entrepreneurship.
Thanks again, everyone, for joining us on this exciting journey. Have a wonderful day, and we can't wait to see you at the Mandaram Resource Center.